Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? I am here this hour to discuss something very, very important with us. Um, this message is for Uchechi Mas Namonokano's wife. All right. I saw her post, what she said about the petition that she want people to sign. That petition is all about raising Mas Namonokano. She's complaining that people don't, people are not, the attendance is quite poor, that people are not responding to that petition very well, the way they ought to. And she said that it's about 300 and something people have signed the petition. And that petition was, I think it started as far back as early December. The month is almost getting to an end. But the people that signed the petition are just 300 and something. She's also praising some. I don't know who shared the link, that she kind of singing praise of the person, that you did well the way you shared the link. Then on 11th of December. Why I'm saying this is for you to know when the petition started. Do you understand? And these people who have signed the petition are just 300 and something people, and she's worried about it. But she forgot to ask herself a question: why is it that people are not signing the petition the way they ought to? I mean, this is Master Makana for crying out loud. But as long as that petition is being initiated by her, people are not going to sign it the way they're supposed to. It is very, very clear. And why I'm bringing this to you is for some of you now claiming that without you, there's nothing like another person. You are the one that know how to move everything. You are the one that know the road to have Biafra. Without you, things are not going to work. You think that that's the best way to do. Best way to go about the whole thing is people must at least give. In fact, you are the one that's supposed to talk, and no other person that suggests anything, that person is talking to himself. That is not how to get Biafra. That's not how to get freedom. You see, everybody is important. OKK is important. Okafo is important. It doesn't matter what you feel. It's not about you. It should be about us. It's not about one person. It should be about everybody. But when this gara, I am this, a homie, I'm the one financing everything. I am the armor bearer of the authority. I am the man on ground. Without me, every other thing must crumble. I have what it takes. I am this, I am that, I am this, I am that. These are things that you don't need to, you don't need to see it around you when you are talking about freedom. You don't need it at all. Back to Maaz Namorgano's wife. Her own issue is somehow is peculiar because she is Maaz wife. Even though some people say that she's no longer the wife, I don't know. I'm not here to tell you that she is or not, but let us assume that she's still the wife and all that. It's not important anyway. Whether she is or not is not my problem. Okay, and it shouldn't be your problem as well. What she do these days, or what she love to do, is to, create division. In this life we are, some people don't have that quality of leadership. One of the things you need to know about anybody who lack leadership quality is the person who will speed up creating division, trying to make things about herself, if by any means necessary. You see, what is going on now in the whole thing could be a spiritual problem. Because a few days ago, or a few weeks ago, PM says that Akpabio went to travel to India to do abracadabra, right? And nobody comment on that. This could be the outcome. That's why everybody is running kitty kitty kata kata at the moment. It is possible. You may not believe it, but somehow you cannot just rule it out and say, oh, it doesn't matter. Sometimes it matters. You need to be very, very careful on that. Now, Mazen Nagano's wife started creating division, plotting evil, not only on Biafrans. There's some rumors about her role in the Mazen Nagano's kidnap, which I don't know. I don't have any information about it. But whether she did it or not, her hatred and the role she played on PM and DOS members is uncalled for. She is the one that is getting all those things. For you to know that Biafrans despise her, that petition is not selling. Why? Because that petition is being initiated by her. How did that petition come from a neutral person? Maybe one of the person who just like a who am I going to point at now? Maybe because everybody have done one or two things, to be honest with you. Maybe somebody who don't talk much about Biafran agitation. Let's say just a state person, maybe ex-governor, or maybe an Igbo person, a journalist, or even a business person, a businessman, and the person is in good time with everybody. All right, that is when you need people to back you up. But you see, when you have a group that you have maybe probably 1,000 people, 1,005, 2,000, some cases 400, 300, and they are singing mass right on. Oh, our sister, our women are this. They are praising you, and you refuse to stand on the truth. You think that you have arrived. Everything must revolve around you. Everything must go around you. Everything must be you. You must be the one piloting everything. Nobody, nothing happens without your permission. Then your downfall is very, very fast. This petition now, if Masakano's wife, if you are gonna watch this video, this should be, a wake-up call to you to understand that those you guys design green and give them to say one or two things on social media are not actually for Biafra. They are not actually for Igbo people. Majority carry the vote. Now you see people that travel to Finland to declare Biafra, even though kitty katakata is going on now, it will still calm down. It's a matter of time. It will still disappear, whether you like it or not. It happened 2021 when Masakano, was kidnapped. Everybody was pointing fingers every corner. I don't forget that. I still remember that vividly. I still remember what happened then. And that's why I keep on saying that people should come back together and iron this out. Even though you have different ulterior motive, you shouldn't be a problem to the whole race. As long as you are not in the right track, your case shouldn't be a problem to everybody because you are only one person. Some of us have, different mindset. You want to work in Biafra movement, and your name is not even in the public. Nobody knows your name, all right? You just choose a random name and answer that name. Like Gaddafi. Gaddafi is not the real name of the guy. Do you understand it now? Like Ogenkere, and his name, the name is coming out, is trending on social media. I don't want to post it yet. That Ogenkere, even the first and second name, does not belong to him. According to what people are saying, I'm not the one saying it. It is on social media at the moment as we speak. It's one of the things trending at the moment. That Ogenkere's name is fake. And he's finance minister. Many people that bears name, I have other names in my hand at the moment, but I don't want to start calling those names. But I'm talking about those who are working in different government in SI. I'm not talking about IPOB as DOS group now. I'm talking about those whom you have followed, believing that they are exceptional, that they're different from DOS. Your experience in DOS camp shouldn't be, you don't want it to be repeated. But similar signs and some element that made DOS who they are, you can still find it in some of these people that are following Biafra government in exile. That is to tell you that you don't need to be in Biafra government in exile to baptize yourself that you are decent. Sometimes your action will be the only thing to judge what you represent actually. Because everything is to me, I don't think that it is wise for some people to capitalize on something that don't mean anything and make it look like it matters a lot. Biafran shouldn't be your own private business. If you are not willing to work with people, if you are not willing to say I'm sorry when you're supposed to say you are sorry, if you are not willing to accept your mistakes, if you think that you are Mr. to get it right every time, everything more, in fact you are the one to get it right, you are not supposed to fight for freedom. Mas Kano, I remember those days when he opened mic, people will call him on program and ask questions. He beg you to ask the difficult questions. If you can throw him, if you say that, okay, Mas, I don't like this thing you are doing, he will take time and explain it to you. Even though he don't need to explain that to you, but he will still accept to explain it to you. Why? Because he understand that he's serving people. Serving people, you are serving people who their brain are normal. Some of them are their brain are not normal. Some of them have different questionable character. Some are depressed. They want to transfer their anger or problem, their personal problem to you. On your comment section, when they call you, they want to talk down on you. They want you to look down. They want to discourage you. You don't know it is not easy for you to film yourself and say something that some people may kick against. It's not all that easy. But Malakano will devote his time to do that. People will call him name, insult him. I have watched